Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to color grade your videos using Inshot video editor. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how to add this film like color grading to your videos. So if that sounds interesting, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more Inshot tutorials. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So let's open Inshot video editor, and create a new video. Let's create a new video and add our main clip to the timeline. So this is our main clip. We are going to be color grading. So let's go to canvas and set it to fit. Now the next step is for us to add some filters. So for this I'm going to go to filter and I'm going to add some film like filter. Now let's go to film. Now we have 5 different film filter here. So for this tutorial I'm going to be using the first one, film 1. Now let's reduce the filter a little bit to around 85. Good. Now let's make the final adjustments to the video. Go to adjustments. Now increase the lightness to around 5. Go to contrast. Now reduce it a little bit to around -5. Go to warmth. Set it to around 8 to 10. Go to tint. Now set it to around 10. Now increase the saturation to around 20 to 25. Now let's go to sharpen. Increase the sharpen to 100%. And finally let's go to vignette. Go to vignette and increase it to 100. Perfect. So we can keep on making more adjustments to the colors in the videos. Now let's see the before and after results, before and after results, before and after. And that's it guys. So now we can export our video and our color grading is 100% done. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel for more Inshot tutorials like this. Much love I got for you and I will see you in the next video. Peace and love.